one and all gingerbread jelly bean. As you can see, my life is very, 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 very boring. Alright? Very boring. Put emphasis on the very, very. So yeah, what I try to do is occupy my time by playing tennis, exercising, going to the gym, or just doing something. You know, the last vlog you see, washing the car. So right now, I'm heading to the gym to get some workout in, because I like to keep my body in shape, right? So right now, as you can see, I'm skipping rope and thing. I'm heading to the gym, and that's in the apartment, so it's not far away. But I have to go there early before them close, so I can get enough time. So pretty much what you're going to get is another vlog of me doing exactly that, which is exercising in the gym. Why water? I flash down uphill. I dirty water there. Yeah. So sorry about that. I have my shake. It look messy, but whey protein. I know take it every day and stuff. Only when I go to the gym or after a workout, I drink the whey protein. It's good, and stuff like that. So yeah, I'll get in some workout. So enjoy me working out. Link good when we're done. So come back gingerbread and jelly bean. My shirt sweat up and thing, but yeah. It was a good workout. Not extreme, just upper body and a little endurance. We're skipping is concerned. Yeah. The gym, as you can see, it thing there. It's just a little gym. Little equipment and stuff, not a major. And the treadmill work. You go up on the treadmill, you run for 5 minutes and then you cool down. So you know it's old. But it work. I have the bench press. I like the bench press. And then I have the bicep machine. So I work with those. I do my push up and all of those. So yeah, it was good. I enjoy that. Feel a little better now. My day isn't all that bad. A little productive where exercise is concerned. But yeah, I just want to apologize. And just, I just want people to be aware that I said it in the last vlog that I don't have much friends. As you can see, when I really go out there and make much friends. I have few friends at school, but that's it. So I kind of just keep myself. So I'm kind of in my shell right now. For persons that know me from way back when, high school, college, I talk enough. I'm crazy, I'm fun, I do crazy stuff, act a fool sometimes, make people laugh. Just be myself. I get involved in stuff, but for me right now, I'm just in my shell. And I hope you don't forgive me for that. The vlogs will pick up, they will get more interesting. So don't worry yourself, it's just the beginning phase, so let's look out for those. So thanks again for all the support. I really appreciate it again. Thanks a million. And just keep enjoying the vlogs, keep sharing them. Keep getting subscribers for me. That's how I get subscribers, that's and things. So I just work on it right now to make sure everything comes smooth and nice. So big up on yourself, Gingerbread and Jelly Bean. Look out for more J Vlogs. I'm out, peeps. Later.